Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to watch the YouTube videos in your original language without any translations. So as you can see, here you have the YouTube itself, and now the first quick tip for you is to open the Incognito mode. To do so, click on your keyboard Ctrl-Shift and N or P, or just click these three dots in the top right corner and click New Incognito window. Here, if you enter YouTube, you can see that here you have the Ukrainian language and everything in Ukrainian, because this computer system is Ukrainian, so don't worry. Here, as you can see, we are back in the HardReset.Info Ukraine channel, and what we have to do now is to set the region in the link. So position yourself between this mention of the channel and youtube.com and the slash. Here, type the exclamation question mark GL equals, maybe set it Poland, and it's the second tip. Now we are in the region of Poland and everything should be in Polish. Apart from that, we can go back here to this link and change the language of the web browser. Click this three dots in the top right corner and click settings. Here in the search settings you can search language, and as you can see here, we do have Polish, English, Russian, English and English, like in the categories, etc. Here we can set the default one. For example, here we have to click this three dots and click display Chrome in this language. Now we have to click relaunch, and we have to do with our preferred language. As you can see here, the first default is English. Now let's set it, for example, to the English one from United States, and as you can see, everything is changing right now. So this is the next tip, and the another tip is to enter the video itself. Wait a moment, because I do have this slow internet connection. And here we have to click on the settings. Here we have to click the audio track and set it to the original one, to your original one. This is the track that it was recorded, and this is the original default one, and we can disable the AI dubbing using this simple click. And that's how it works actually. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like. It's really important to us. And that's it. I hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!